General Motors, also known as GM, is a global automotive company headquartered in Detroit, Michigan, founded in 1908. GM designs, manufactures, and sells vehicles and vehicle parts across several brands, including Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick. The company is also expanding its presence in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology as part of its strategic vision for the future of transportation. What exactly does GM sell? Well, GM offers a broad range of vehicles and services, including cars, trucks, and SUVs under brands like Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick. The Chevrolet Bolt EV and GMC Hummer EV are notable offerings in GM's expanding electric vehicle lineup, a connected vehicle service providing safety, security, and navigation features, and financial services through GM Financial, where the company offers financing solutions for vehicle purchases and leases. The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra are among GM's best-selling products, particularly in the highly competitive truck segment. So, how does General Motors make money? General Motors' revenue model is primarily based on the sale of vehicles and related services. Key revenue streams include vehicle sales, which are where the largest portion of GM's revenue comes from by selling new vehicles, including cars, trucks, and SUVs. Other revenue streams include revenue from vehicle maintenance, parts, and accessories, income from vehicle financing and leasing through GM Financial, and recurring revenue from services like OnStar. Truck sales, especially the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra, are significant contributors to GM's overall revenue. Who are the typical customers of General Motors, you may ask? The answer is as diverse as it is vast. GM's target market includes individual consumers looking for a wide range of vehicles, from affordable cars to luxury SUVs, businesses and government entities needing commercial vehicles and fleet management solutions, consumers interested in electric vehicles, and individuals and businesses seeking vehicle financing and leasing options through GM Financial. So who does General Motors compete with? GM competes with many companies, both domestic and foreign, including Ford, a fellow American powerhouse, Toyota, a Japanese auto manufacturer, Tesla, who is the electric vehicle pioneer who is pushing boundaries and forcing everyone else to play catch-up, Stellantis, who owns brands like Fiat, Chrysler, Jeep, and Maserati, and Volkswagen Group, a large car manufacturer based in Germany. So to sum it all up, General Motors is a global automotive company that designs, manufactures, and sells vehicles and vehicle parts across several brands, including Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick.